Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make lemon gyudon. It is a Japanese beef rice bowl. If you know regular gyudon, I have the video already on my channel. It is flavored with soy sauce, but this recipe I'm going to use salt instead. It is going to be simple yet delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. First, you want to season the beef with grated garlic, grated ginger, salt, and sake. Actually, for this recipe, you can skip sake if you don't have it. Instead of beef, you can use pork or chicken is okay. Now slice the onion. Make 2 slices of lemon and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice out from 1 lemon. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan. Saute the sliced onion until tender. Add the seasoned beef and cook until no longer pink. Stop the heat and add lemon juice, half tablespoon of sesame oil. You can taste now, add a pinch of salt or more if needed. Serve over a hot bed of rice. Top with thinly sliced green onions. Place a piece of lemon slice on each bowl. Top with black pepper. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. 자, いただきます。おいしい。
僕も食べたい。
レモンが爽やかでめちゃくちゃ美味しいです。すんごい美味しい。めちゃめちゃ爽やかで食が進みます。
食べたい。食べたい。
食べてみる？
食べてみる。
はい。どうですか？ごま油の風味も効いていて。
ね、ママ美味しいね。
ね、美味しいね。美味しいです。
食べたい。
食べたい？うん。